like and subscribe. To the limits. Y'all heard it, man. Okay then. Y'all hear that, man? Okay then. Okay then. Them Bimmer boys, huh? Them Bimmer boys going crazy. Them Bimmer boys going crazy with it though. You hear them? You hear them Bimmer boys? We just made it. We just made it, dog. Hear them on there. Hear the turbo. Hear them on them. Hear them on them. Yo. Hear them on. Everything good, bro? Yeah. Watch them on them. Hear them on them. Man, I shoot flames. Man, I shoot flames. Okay then. None. I'm not driving none, brother.
Nah, you're not wearing a GoPro though.
Oh my! Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Who that? What that? I just got here. Give us something. Them boys going crazy, huh? Them boys going crazy. Damn. Them boys going crazy. Something. Give us something. Give us something. Give us something. Give us something.
Back up.
Give us something. Oh, he coming back in. He coming back in.
Yeah.
Y'all see a trend? Everybody's shooting flames. Everybody's shooting flames. Everybody got that pop tune. Everybody got it. Camaro gonna start up. V8. It's a V8, you know what I'm saying? It's a V8. Get in. Pop, 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 pop. for pop.
Gotta make it a little smoky out
I don't hear that thing sound. Okay then, Trinity. Okay then, Trinity. Okay then. Pop for pop. We just made it to the meet, you know what I'm saying? They got the LC500, you know I love this. The Ferrari though, god damn. What we got? You know we gotta look what we got. Come on now, that wide body move. Okay then. We got a few nice whips outside, you know what I'm saying? The Mopar guys. They got the Beamer crew. What's that? 86? Ooh, I love those. I love those. Okay then. Guys, we just made it to the meet. We made it when it's near to be over. And this is what you get, man. We made it when it's near to be over, and this is what you get, bro. Ooh, 86. I love these. We gotta think about one of these for a drift car. I think it'll go crazy. Remember, we had the last BRZ. Come on, be quiet, be quiet. Remember, y'all can't even hear me, man. That shit clean. I like that. I like it. Ooh, all the pops, bro. All the pops. God damn. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Everybody's shooting player. That boy got 1.5 shooting that play. And the turbo on this thing sounds sick too. Make y'all hear the turbo. Y'all hear the turbo? Y'all hear that turbo? That turbo sound crazy. The flutter, that's what it is. Brenda. Yeah, it's everybody outside, man. Woo. 05 series. That should look tough. Okay. We all know about the E39 generation. Y'all ain't know nothing about the E39 generation, ain't it? Stick shift? Oh no, damn. So it ain't gonna be an M5. He got an M badge, but not an M5. You gonna rev the Porsche? You gonna rev the Porsche? Guys, we just made it to this car meet, man. It started from 4. It's like 7:30 now. We came here late, right? We came here when it's done. But you know what I'm saying? The pop's outside, the bang's outside, and we outside, man. So you know what I'm saying? I haven't been to a meet in way too long, bro. I say, you know what, let's pop out. Still driving wifey's car, of course. Ain't got mines. To be honest, that's been put off completely. I supposed to been join them, right? The Beamer boys, but we ain't did it yet. But one day, but we're gonna put it off for a little bit, because I got, guys, if I tell you guys the story, man, I got me an M5 and the dealership gave it to somebody else. How? Run my credit for M5 in a different state, got approved. Time to what I was gonna schedule the pickup for Monday, because I wasn't gonna make them deliver it from Arizona. I was gonna pick it up, right? And then I brought my family to do a photo shoot, and then the guy told the guy I'm gonna be busy for a little bit, right? Ran the credit, got approved for the car, did all of that. Went to go do our photo shoot, came out, tried to call in the guy, no response. You know what I'm saying? We go a little bit, I'm like, all right, call him the next day. Next day come, no response. A little bit that more, no response. Call his manager, he said, I sold that car yesterday. After we got approved for the car, after the money is ready, after everything, I just need to fly up and take delivery, they sell it to somebody else. So that kind of put me off a little bit. And since then, I haven't even been looking for M5 anymore, because, you know what I'm saying, it just gave me that energy that I didn't want, and I just said, screw it. But just like what my shirt says, man, it got a cross on it. It's all in God's time, bro. When God is ready, we'll follow God's path, but it ain't time for the cars yet. Cool. We're coming to the meets because at the end of the day, the channel is there. We might as well make you guys get some videos. So we're gonna start going to the meets. If you guys want a certain car in the channel, let me know. Okay then. If you want to see a certain video on certain cars, let me know. Shit. Okay then. But my personal car, that ain't coming yet. Okay. Got a few bigger things in the works first. But yeah. Machine outside. Trinity M4. All the guys outside, man. We got Trinidad M4. We got Fast Life Prince with the machine. We have Turks and Caicos, right? Turks and Caicos. But yeah, I like this. You guys know I love these. I don't know if you guys heard me earlier, but what do you guys think about that? Remember I had this generation BRZ. What do you guys think about the new BRZs? It's like a drift car, a little fun bill. You know what I'm saying? I think we can do that, you know what I'm saying? Can easily do that, drop cash on a BRZ and build it. Because I can't run my credit right now for nothing. So what do you guys think? Drop cash on a BRZ and build it? Build as a what do you call it? A drift bill? Bring it to Fuel Fest next year, get some sponsors in it? Could do that. We had one before, might as well do it, right? But let me know what you guys think about that. And other than that, man, it's BMW Nation, soon to join that. But yeah, I love these, man. I love them. I miss mine completely. Love them. Well, the flame them look nice.
I didn't even know it was fun. I could turn it up.
Even more?
Yes, that's nothing.
I'm saying.
Oh shit. So I mean I can shoot like some 3-foot flame.
10.
I say 10. Okay then. But yeah, check out my guy Trini, man. I think wifey calling. But check out Trini. Baby, it's calling. Hi baby. Just to get the gas done. Guys, I'm sure y'all are subscribed to Fast Life Prince. If you're not, what are you doing, man? Subscribe to the man.
What are you doing if you're not hitting that like button and that subscribe button right now?
Ask them again, bro. Ask them again.
What are you doing if you're not hitting that like button and that subscribe button right now?
Check out the bill, man. The thing just sweet. And there's a video of this car on the channel. So if you're new around here, go check it out. I've driven this like 2 times when it was stock and right now. So go check out those vids on the channel, man. I need to drive this.
Upgraded turbo now, by the way.
I need to drive this. This shit clean. Let's see what this guy gonna do, guys. Let's see. We gotta hear that shit. Come on. We're still recording, right? Yeah, we're still recording. He been egging on everybody, so let's see what he does. And then he gonna do something for y'all. Come on now. If he do something good. It was decent. I mean, yo, he was talking crazy, so you know, I expected something crazy. He was talking crazy.
Give my boy the key.
I love you. I'll see you later.
Oh, that's a girl.
Somebody on her.
All right, he gonna do it again. Come on now. He gonna do it again. I think he gonna do a burnout. Okay. That's more like it. That's more like it. That's more like it. You know what I'm saying? That's more like it. that boy did it down the whole damn street. That's more like it. He did something weak first, so he had to make it up. You know what I'm saying? He had to make it up. FRS next. Got to do a donut. Hold on. You do the donut down there, okay, Dan? You know you gotta jump out of the way when you see him coming. I ain't standing close, hell nah. FRS was made for that, you know what I'm saying? When I had mines, shred the tires. But when I had that, shit, come on now. Let's see what he do with it. Oh, he going again. Okay then, he going again. Oh, he going again. Okay then. Them tires done. Them tires done now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man, because you know he just finished it. Oh yeah. Time to stop. Time to stop.
Watch out, guys. Make room, make room, make room.
Oh, them tires still good. Oh no, them tires still good.
Yeah, actually, look at
Back it up. Come on.
Oh shit. Let's see what the FRS do.
Come on, James.
Let's see what the FRS do for y'all, man. Hopefully a little spinny bit.
Spin that shit.
Hopefully a little spinny bit. Oh, he can do it right here. And he doing all that with 200 horsepower, say less.
I used to be to the limits. Yo.
I'm retired, bro.
Soon come out to retirement.
Don't stall it. He stalled it. No. You know, once you come around this thing, you got to do something. I told y'all about standing too close.
Hey, you ain't got no Mustang, boy. No offense to any Mustang drivers. Just the joke. Just the joke.
Boy, now I'm gonna set my clocks, you know what I'm saying? Oh, he doing something? Let me zoom in for y'all, man. Cause he ain't looked too hot the first time, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, you gotta go. You're clear. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Come on.
What he gonna do? Oh shit. Phone space done, guys. Camera only. Phone space done. boys going crazy. Them boys going crazy. Them boys marked up the street for sure. Oh, he coming back, huh? He coming back with it. Inside. Bring it inside. Bring it inside. Bring it inside. Okay then. Like, damn, bro. God damn. Thought we're coming. we just came to a car meet, okay? They said they were doing an exotic and JDM car meet, and we came through. This is what we get. Don't do all of that now, sir. Don't be doing all of that now. Pull up. Yo, they're done. Ladies and gents, we thought we were coming to a chill car meet, okay? We don't condone his activities, but you know, it's cool when they do it in a secluded area, you know what I'm saying? Nobody ain't coming down this street. Nobody, it ain't a main road. They ain't doing a takeover. They're just doing some donuts in a chill spot. Everybody here is for the car meet. All the normal cars you see is for the car meet. So it's chill, it's calm, it's a secluded area and ain't nobody here, so it's cool. But taking your hands off the wheel though, G? Don't do that. Keep your damn hands on the wheel, bro. Keep your damn hands on the wheel, bro. That shit started going left. Keep that shit straight. But yeah, other than that though, everything here is safe, man. You're doing donuts in a secluded area. I think it's cool. We ain't taking over. We ain't doing none of that. They're just doing some donuts right outside the car meet. Them boys got permits, so it's chill. But keep your damn hands on the wheel. Keep that shit straight. I know I need one of these, bro. Yeah. Was that auto? It doesn't even sound like a... that's how mine sounded. It wasn't loud at all. Oh, get in. The fast crew rolling out. Fast Life Prince himself. Just realized my storage full. Down there. Hold on, wait. I carry the come on the corner, audio freak. Fast Life. Watch him take off now. Turks and Caicos. Okay then. Okay then. Oh shit. The man from Trinity. Ooh. The Bima crew. Vaughn. Yard time in the dog. See man them do them foolishness already.